Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Well, today's more of a Monday side dish, but it is how to make baked potatoes in the microwave. You know, my mom works smart, not hard, and this one is so easy, and it totally worked, and you'll see in the video. But we'll put a link to the recipe also in the description box below. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making some microwave baked potatoes. We're actually going to use this for Taco Tuesday. We're going to make salsa, chicken salsa, I guess taco potatoes, something like that. You know, going with some sort of Mexican theme with the potatoes. But this is how we're doing the baked potatoes. So you take your russet potatoes, however many you're using, wash them, and then poke them with a fork 4 or 5 times on each side. And then you rub them in olive oil, and then you put salt and pepper on the outside and rub that in all the way around. So I use the blend, of course. Then you're gonna put them into the microwave on a microwave safe plate for 5 minutes on high. So we're gonna start and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, so you're going to take some tongs like I did and flip your potatoes after the first 5 minutes. And then if you have 2 or more potatoes, it said do another 5 minutes. So we have 2 or more potatoes. Do another. Okay, so after the second 5 minutes, most of them are done. So the smaller ones are done. The bigger ones, they're okay, but there's some harder parts in the center. So what you do is you put them back in there for 1 minute at a time until it's cooked like these are. The smaller ones, they're very soft and tender and easy to manipulate. So that's up to you. I'm gonna put these bigger ones in for like another minute, but that's it. That's how you do it, pretty fast.